Hey everyone, it's your boy Jimmy, and today we're going to turn that leftover stir fry into 4 mouth-watering dishes you won't believe. We're talking taste bud explosions, flavor town, the whole shebang. You know how much I hate wasting food, and this is the ultimate way to use up every last bit of that delicious stir fry. Get ready to be amazed because these recipes are so easy, even I can make them. Let's dive right in. Alright guys, first up we're going full-on flavor fiesta with some epic stir-fry fried rice. We're talking next-level stuff here. Now crank up that stove to medium heat and let's get this party started. Grab your leftover stir-fry. We're talking every last delicious morsel and toss it into that pan. Don't hold back. Now grab a cup of cooked rice, any kind will do, and throw it in the mix. Stir it up, get those flavors mingling. Now for the secret sauce, literally, splash in some soy sauce, a little goes a long way, and keep that stir-fry party going for like 5 to 7 minutes. Boom! We're talking restaurant-quality fried rice, and you made it with leftovers. All right, round 2. We're hitting you with a breakfast or any time of champions. Grab 3 eggs, crack them open like a boss, and whisk them up in a bowl. Easy peasy. Now grab your trusty non-stick pan, hit it with that medium heat, and add a little oil. Time for the excellent part. Pour those whisked eggs into the pan and let them chill for a minute. Now for the game changer, your leftover stir fry. Heap that goodness onto one half of that omelet, then fold it over like a pro. We're talking flavor fusion. Let it sizzle for a couple more minutes until those eggs are set, and boom, you just won breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Chapter 3. Stir-fry quesadilla. Cheesy goodness overload. All right, round 3, we're getting cheesy. It's quesadilla time, baby. Grab a tortilla, any kind will do, and toss it in a preheated pan. Now for the good stuff. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on one half of that tortilla. We're talking cheddar, mozzarella, whatever your cheese-loving heart desires. Now here comes the flavor bomb pile on that leftover stir-fry. Don't be shy. Fold that tortilla over, creating a beautiful, cheesy masterpiece. Let it sizzle for a few minutes on each side until that cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, a flavor explosion wrapped in a crispy tortilla. Chapter 4. Stir-fry soup. Warm up with flavor. All right, for our final act, we're going full-on comfort food. Grab your biggest pot because we're making soup. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, crank up the heat, and bring that broth to a boil. Now, for the flavor magic. Dump in every last bit of that leftover stir-fry, veggies, meat, the works. Let it all simmer together for like 10 minutes, letting those flavors mingle and get cozy. Time to season this masterpiece. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper to your liking. And for the grand finale, ladle that steaming hot soup into a bowl and sprinkle on some fresh herbs. Talk about a flavor explosion. And there you have it, folks. 4 incredible ways to give your leftover stir-fry a delicious makeover. We've got fried rice, omelets, quesadillas, and even soup. Who knew leftovers could be this epic? Remember, we hate wasting food, and these recipes are the perfect way to use up every last bite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome recipes. See you next time.